In this video, I'll show you how to use Obsidian Git to sync your notes in under a minute. First, install the Obsidian Git plugin from the Community Plugin section in Obsidian Settings and enable it once installed. Next, initialize a Git repository in your Vault folder by opening a command palette or ctrl-p and running git initialize a new repo. Then, connect to your remote repository by running git edit remotes and adding your GitHub, GitLab, or other Git service URL. Configure automatic syncing by going to the plugin settings and enabling auto pull or push on Vault start and setting your preferred sync interval. Finally, your notes will now automatically sync across all devices where you have Obsidian with the Git plugin installed and configured. Changes are committed and pushed automatically based on your settings, and that's how to use Obsidian Git to sync your notes in under a minute.